Alright, we're out here in the shop and we're starting to test our pin jig, and this, I just made a test piece. Scrap piece of material just to make sure that my pins are going to slide in nice. They bolt in from behind, but I got a couple skanky regrinds out in the shop, and sometimes a skanky regrind will do what you want, and sometimes a skanky regrind won't do what you want. So I got 5/8 end mill, just drops that right in. But I got a couple different cutters and I know a fit I want, but I only want to do this once so this pin jig will hold our wood in place, and that's the test. So I'd rather test it now on a scrap than have the pin jig and have to monkey fuck around with it more than I have to. It's only going to go up in the mill once and be done once, because that's all I have time for. Alright, so we're at the mill with my handy guy, and we've got our plate. Now this plate, as we look at the print, it is flipped like that. So I have it set up on the mill with the ram racked out to do the whole thing in one shot. The first pin jig, we had some issues with parts climbing around, so I've added more pins, and the glue, just regular wood glue, is really sticky. So on our next pin jig, added the pins in the necessary places, and then this was coated with mirror glaze mold release wax, so if I get any glue on it, it's going to pop off. That's it. So you got a nice fixture plate. It's going to last.